quick tour during the drizzle. Here's some potatoes. It's cantaloupe and watermelon. Tomatoes, marigolds, lettuce over there. Peas right here. I think that's a melon. Not sure what that stuff is. I know these are cucumbers. I'm pretty sure those are. That must be a melon over there. Here's some cucumbers. Peep my homemade trellises. Those my cocoa melon favorite cucumbers. I got too many cucumbers. I need to dig some up. Chives, radishes. I like them to go to flour because they make these delicious snap peas. Radishes. There's a tomato. Tomatoes, kale. These are plants for sale. Those are bachelor buttons, lavenders, Cape gooseberries. Look at my kale. More lavender. Cape gooseberry. Marigolds, lavender. Dill, cilantro. What you call it? Loofah. Black pepper. Basil. Black-eyed Susans. Ground cherries. 7 different kinds of tomatoes. The most popular one is the green zebra and the chocolate cherries. Some zinnias, I've already topped those. Here's some more cucumbers. I always plant too much. Oh, this little area used to be a forest. I've been throwing stuff over there. Some sunflowers, marigolds, coleus. I forgot petunia, marigold, sunflower, bachelor button, coleus. A lot of stuff. Let's see what happens. I've even put a tomato over here. You stalker, go away. Go away, kitty cat. All right, so that's tour in the rain. Ah, leave that alone. Stop it.